Adjustment clips, probably one of the best tools inside of Davinci Resolve, and it can be even used on the free version. For me, it's one of the most used tools inside of Davinci Resolve. So what is an adjustment clip? An adjustment clip is something like a container. Imagine that is a container, a transparent container that you put on top of the timeline, and you can put things inside like transforms, adjustments, color grades, everything, and will affect everything that is beneath the container, okay? Probably the adjustment clip is the tool that I use the most in Davinci Resolve when editing, because it saves me a lot of time and it's very easy to use. So let's go into the computer and let me show you what you can do with the adjustment clips, because I'm gonna give you several reasons why you should use that. So let's go. So here we are inside of Davinci Resolve edit page, and the first thing I want to show you is where you can find the adjustment clip. To find the adjustment clip, come here to the toolbox, come here to the effects. If you don't see the toolbox, come here to the effects over here and turn them on. Come here to the effects and it's the first effect over here. So let's drag it and put it over here, and there you have it. So it's just drag and drop the adjustment clip on top of your clips, not on the clips, not like this, but over your clips. Now I'm gonna talk to you about the 6 reasons why I think you should use the adjustment clip to help you on your edit. The first reason is you can use all the tools of the inspector in the adjustment clip. So you can use the transform, the cropping, everything that you have on your inspector. All of these clips that is also available on your clip is now available on your adjustment clip. And this is powerful because, as I will show you, you can use it just in a part of your clip. So let's come here and add a zoom here, and I want the zoom to stop around here. So let's resize this. Let's zoom in to see it better. So let's come here, add a keyframe over here, come over here and add another keyframe. I want to zoom this and I want to put it around here and something like this. And I'm going to come here and add another keyframe over here, add a keyframe, and over here let's do this. Now if you play it, look, so it zooms in and now it zooms out. So as you can see, you can use all from the inspector inside of the adjustment clip. Now the reason number 2 is that you can color grade inside of the adjustment clip. So let me show you how. Let's resize this. Let's come to this last clip. And as you can see, the colors are not popping. So let's just adjust a part of this clip to show you the difference. So let's come here, come to the adjustment clip, put it over here. Now select the clip, come here to the color page, and in the color page, now you can add, for example, some saturation, some contrast, reduce here the shadow. So you can do whatever you want, but for demonstration, look, so this is outside of the adjustment clip and now inside of the adjustment clip. And of course you can put it wherever you want. So you can adjust the colors and change everything inside of this adjustment clip. Now the reason number 3 is that you can add effects to your clips using adjustment clips. So let's see how you can do that. Let's add an adjustment clip over here. Let me put it like this. For example, I'm going to select it. I'm going to come here, and where it says video camera, I'm going to put it over here. And now we have this effect, this overlay on top of the clip, and you can use it like this, and you have it on your clip. And as you can see, it's not zooming this because the adjustment clip that is using the zoom is beneath this adjustment clip. If you put this over, it will zoom also this one. So you have to pay attention to that, because as I said, the adjustment clip will affect everything that is beneath, okay? So you can do this or use other effects. You can come here to the open effects. Let's come here. Let me delete this one. And for example, let's add some glow. Look, you add some glow. You can come here and use the spread. So you can adjust everything. So as you can see, you can add multiple effects. I recommend that you put it on separate adjustment clips. If you want to use multiple effects over one clip or over a region, I highly recommend that you put one on top of the other and rename it. For renaming, it's very easy. You select the clip, you come here to the file, and here, for example, you can type glow. And now if you put another effect on top, for example, like this, and in this one you put the camera like this, you can come here and do the same, and you can call it camera, and you can change the color, whatever you want. So now you have this on top, and you can use multiple effects with adjustment clips. The reason number 4 is that you can use the adjustment clip over multiple clips. And this is amazing, because here, look, you can put it over all of these clips, and now you have the overlay of the camera right here, and it's here the same. So you can use it over multiple clips. As you can see, it's very interesting, because you can use an effect over your entire project, or an adjustment or a color grade, whatever you want, over the entire project. And the reason number 5 is that you can easily copy and paste your adjustment clips. So you can come here to select the clip, you can Control C, or you can Alt and drag it over to other part of your clip, and over here now you will see that it will zoom in and then zoom out, and it's very easy, and you can use it in different places and just copy and paste it, and it's done. And the final reason, the reason number 6, is that you can easily save these adjustment clips to use later in this project or in other projects. So to save in this project is very easy. You just simply drag and drop it over your media pool, and it's done. Now it will be there. If I come here and delete this one, and I can put the glow over here, and it's there again. And if you wanna save it for future use, it's very easy. Just come here to the power bins. If you don't see the power bin, it's very easy to come here to these 3 dots and enable power bins over here. Select master and just come here and drag it over. And now the glow will be available in future videos. So as you can see, it's a powerful tool that you can use to save a lot of time in your edit. So use it. So as you could see, it's very useful and it saves you a lot of time. So I hope this information was helpful, and I hope you learned something today. And if yes, don't forget, hit that like button, that helps a lot. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and hit that notification bell to be notified next time I will launch a video. Until there, bye!